So yes peeps there with another video today with Fowl, Turkey Outdoor Living, Ever Blessed, TV, Dream Island TV, and Davian Outdoor you see here guys. Yeah man. Jamaica Adventures. So we're gonna show you what we're going, you know. Alright peeps, we got one Fowl. Where's our Fowl? Yeah man. Yeah peeps, the auntie yeah.
One tropical hunter.
Yeah man.
One tropical hunter.
Yeah man.
Check out his channel, YouTube channel, like, comment, share, subscribe.
Yeah,
Let's bring him up to 1,000
Yeah,
guys.
man, I want to know tropics, you know.
Yeah.
Anything out there, them I get it.
Yeah man, for real.
Yeah, man.
So, Ever Blessed. Yeah man.
Tropical Hunter.
Yeah man.
Appreciate
Meet up, you know.
my people like, share and subscribe to Tropical Hunter and tell them to Ever Blessed Travels up. Ask them to give them the full support. Outside.
Yeah man, I'll meet
One
up with
Dream Island there,
yeah, man.
guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shout out to Tropical Hunter. Yes, guys. Blessed channel, guys. Just don't watch it. Like, share, and subscribe as well. Bless up yourself, my brother.
So your feet and once the rain start, you know. Yeah man, I go outside in the rain yeah. Gifted, how you do that?
Wait up for me. I wait up for me. Yeah.
So peeps, how this about a month now, I don't see me. About a month you know.
I like my television. Yeah, I.
My head from rain. Yeah man, I great did it there. Yeah man. So yes peeps, I don't know where rain a fall, you know. Yeah man, well put one thing over my pot. Turkey outdoor there. I don't know a place I show foggy, you know.
So I done watch, you know, watch me on my sugar level. We have got doctor card, we have one of them.
Yeah, young boy.
You know, to my grandfather, Michael, you know, and he send me everything, is it? Make sure we intact.
Yeah, what do you want to?
Eh?
Yeah, what do you want to?
Yeah.
And you repeat like that's cool, you got this. And we give me a talk about cutting, about that added video together.
Pizza in the house.
Yeah. And it really work. I mean, I come from the farm and I good people and everyone, you know what I'm saying? And she like it and telling you everybody is blood and unity, brother. That's it.
So them man clean up. Yeah man, them man clean up and grill. Yeah man, just done roast some jerk some beef and cook some curry, pork, wild lag and some white rice. I'm clean up like a grill. Yeah man. Let's see what I go on.
Whenever make it. Where pot we can? Where the curry dip can? Coming there, pot.
Find it then. Young man, bless up. Yeah, man. So what that one? Yeah, man. Ella them, the family them there. Ever blessed there. And tropical hunter. Gifted, the one I gifted hunter.
Gifted Hunter. Yeah man, Gifted Hunter.
Yeah, man.
You choose the right life.
Right
You're choosing the right family.
Me know me I tell them out the road say them fi choose the right life
Yeah,
too.
we choose the right family.
Yeah man.
And we'll make sure so we welcome you in style. Because I think I see you, I think
A couple of times. I mean and Jamaica Adventure Park right through.
last night, you see.
Last
I
night.
think it was Don't want to Ina.
Yeah.
Last night I see you. So you were yourself. I'll be busy in your place.
Yeah, man.
Alright sir.
Last night I come upon you. Yeah. And that's why.
Yeah man, so see it there. Everybody there guys. Yeah man, everybody there. I see the food them there. Yeah. Food there. I line up to eat. Where you go, sir? Alright, sir. Ever blessed there, man. Big up yourself, ever blessed. That's a cool.
Who's camera is this?
Jamaican adventure.
Jamaican Adventures.
Yes, sir.
Outside like
All the time.
Jamaican Adventures. Real hunters. Like, share, and subscribe to him. And when you do that, people, don't leave me alone. I have this channel. Check me out.
Check him out.
Show beautiful things, people, and places.
Yes, sir.
Me outside this year like me.
Homeless. That's style bad. Yeah, man. Davian, you're outside. Alright, sir. Everybody there in a place, man, and normal out, you know? Yeah, man, and guys, remember, go over to my channel. I may eventually turn the cameraman today. Yeah, man, I may end up turning the cameraman today. Yes, but I am also a YouTuber, Gifted Hunter. My name is Gifted Hunter. Gifted Hunter. TikTok, Gifted Hunter. YouTube, Gifted Hunter on all platforms, guys. Yeah, man.
Alright, if you never stop it. Oh, you can't catch the pizza. It's my pizza, you know when beef are cut up. Okay. Kirky, what is spoon of Benzo?
Fuck, I been.
Fuck. That Ben.
It mean, if you not listen to me a while, Hunter, Gifted Hunter, you know, he boil look more. Oh, that's
No, the fuck,
Ben.
Ben. No, the fuck thin.
I don't know, a Chinese. And they get a bad name.
They make it bad name.
Yeah, man.
How much you Jersey? Go 3 years now.
It's a right thing, alright, you know? Yeah, man, the old tea is
We have the whole time. No? The spoon of whole time.
pretty old. Yeah, man. Yeah, tea, so it's pretty there, so I match it up, you know? Yeah, man. So, why, and this is Kirky, it's the wild, it's not Kirky, you know wild? Come on, flowers, you know, man.
That is it. Yeah, man. Real hunter. Real, yeah, man. Real hunter, man.
I'm moving.
I drive.
Yeah, I'm moving now.
Coming here to that work, you know,
Yeah, man.
What do you mean, man?
Alright.
What time you out and I ask for you?
Yeah,
I'm tired. If you don't feel good.
I don't know, I'm not feel good. I'm still there.